Used electric vehicles are becoming incredibly affordable, and buying one without knowing what to check can turn a great deal into an expensive mistake. So before you sign anything, here's what you need to know. Let's start with the heart of every EV, the battery. Unlike gas cars, EV batteries degrade over time. On average, most modern EVs lose about 1 to 2% range per year. Many Teslas, for example, still hold around 88 to 92% battery health at 100,000 miles. That's solid, but you need proof. Always ask for a battery health report. Some models show it in the service menu or app. And check the warranty. Many EV batteries are covered for 8 years or 100,000 to 150,000 miles. But the battery isn't the only thing that matters. Now think about how you'll charge it. Does it support fast DC charging? Older EVs may charge slower than newer ones. Also, check the charging port type. Most modern EVs use CCS or Tesla's NACS in the US. Because even a cheap EV can become frustrating if it takes twice as long to charge. And speaking of charging, if you don't already have a Level 2 charger at home, budget around $800 to $2,000 for installation, depending on your electrical panel. Public charging can cost similar to gas in some areas, so home charging is where most savings happen. But let's not forget something people often overlook. Check if the car still receives software updates. Some brands improve range, performance, and features over time. Also, test driver assist systems, touchscreen responsiveness, and infotainment. Repairs on electronics can be pricey. And finally, yes, EVs have fewer moving parts, no oil changes, no spark plugs. But suspension, brakes, tires, and cooling systems still matter. In fact, EVs can wear tires faster because of instant torque. So here's the bottom line. A used EV can be an incredible deal. Lower fuel costs, less maintenance, and smooth performance. But battery health, charging speed, warranty coverage, and home charging setup are key. Do your homework, and you could drive away with one of the smartest car purchases you've ever made. Would you buy a used EV? Let me know in the comments.